Welcome to Zodiac Insider, your simple guide for helpful information about the 12 astrological signs. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and tick the bell icon. This allows you to be notified whenever we post new videos. Let's begin. What attracts a Scorpio man to an Aquarius woman? In astrology, there is a lot of gossip about the compatibility of water and air signs. For example, when you combine both Scorpio man and Aquarius woman romantically, the result can be harmonious. It can work beautifully if these two bring communication, acceptance, and love into the relationship. Despite their differences, they will surely learn something good from one another. We have listed the top 6 qualities of the Aquarius woman that can attract a Scorpio man from the very first encounter. Number 1. Independent. The Aquarius woman is extremely independent. This sign is truly a social butterfly. She has many close friends and is always excited to start conversations with new people. However, she also prefers her alone time. Very independent and carefree, the Aquarius woman does not like to be tied down in love relationships. The Aquarius woman is a lone wolf and can be absolutely fine when staying alone. So, do not take it personal if she does not show much affection in love. The Aquarius woman loves herself more than anyone else. In fact, the Scorpio man favors females who live for themselves and focus on their own lives. Number 2. Loyal. Some may believe that the Aquarius woman is flirty due to her outgoing and sociable nature. However, this is not entirely true. Despite being known as a social butterfly, the Aquarius woman does not like change on a personal level. So, if she has her eyes set on a specific person or thing, she will stick with that selection for a long term. Loyalty is precisely what the Scorpio man is looking for in a romantic relationship. If both the Aquarius woman and the Scorpio man are truly in love, they will stick with each other through thick and thin. Number 3. Sexually ambitious. The Aquarius woman is highly curious, open-minded, and is known to embrace the unorthodox. This makes her exceptionally fun and adventurous in the bedroom. This woman is usually down for trying just about anything, as long as she always feels like it is her choice. There is an intensity and an erotic innocence to the Aquarius woman's sexuality. The Scorpio man is intense in the bedroom, and sex between these two lovers will be pleasurable. Because this man leans towards domination, the Scorpio man is passionate in sexual relations, and will explore sexual areas where the Aquarius woman has never been. Number 4. Reliable. The Scorpio man can totally count on the Aquarius woman's dependability. As a friend, this woman has the kind of reliability that everyone must have in life. She will show up immediately once you tell her you are sad and in need of a shoulder to cry on. Furthermore, if the Aquarius woman reveals her love for someone, she is willing to stand by that person's side faithfully. The Scorpio man also loves the fact that the Aquarius woman is a great listener. So what can you do? Focus on helping him to open up his feelings or problems. Be that person whom he can trust, as the Scorpio man can be vulnerable initially. Number 5. Smart. People birthed under the Aquarius sign are intelligent. The Aquarius woman is clever and always comes up with tons of ideas. She can see the possibility in everything, and she is not intimidated when dealing with problems. As a matter of fact, she enjoys taking on challenges and figuring things out. The Aquarius woman finds pleasure in listening to others' viewpoints and opinions. She can see the bigger picture because she thinks outside of the box. However, sometimes her own thoughts may get in the way, but nonetheless, she is a great partner who can be a good, empathetic listener of Scorpio's story. Number 6. Mysteriousness. The Scorpio man loves women who are a mystery to him. The Aquarius woman intrigues the Scorpio man because she herself is mysterious. Despite this attitude, when she starts dating, the Aquarius woman can leave her date wondering, does she really like me, or is she being nice? After meeting with an Aquarius woman, you will be left with a bunch of questions lingering in your head. You'll want to find the answer to everything, but you won't. She can be both cheerful and distant when kicking it with you, but the Scorpio man will soon get frustrated, as the Aquarius woman's aloofness makes it harder for him to understand her true feelings. Thank you for watching this episode of Zodiac Insider. If you have not yet done so, please click the subscribe button and tick the bell icon. As always, like, comment and share.